Hello YouTube and welcome back to another episode, well, of Let's Just Blowing Stuff Up. This is 259 nukes in Technic SSP. Wow. Yes. I'm going to put Quake off. I don't like that. And this is 259 nukes. Yes, I know. I hope to not lag. Let's watch this. It'll be quite a long time. I will lag it. That pig's gonna die. Oh no. Lag. Oh no, I'm gonna crash. I'm going to crash. Fuck. I need to hear 259 of the explosions. That's gonna crash. So bad. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Shit. Oh fuck. Can you hear this, YouTube? Like. I wanted to get right into it. I wish I could pause the video, but I'm too laggy. My floor is gone. I'm going to fall all the way down. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. And my last video about the video called update video or something, or update, put your Minecraft username in and how good you are with Take It, and I will see if you can join, and your Skype username, I'll see if you can join with me in the Take It Let's Play. I'm going to try and pause the video. Oh dude, it's so laggy. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Yeah, I've just kind of like, I've found the explosion now, and it's stopped exploding, and now it's lagging because of all the drops, so I've just turned magnet mode on, and hoping that's going to work. Too much lag. Wow! 1 second, I'm going to press X. Come on. Show it. Oh shit. Fuck. No, creeper, no! I don't need any more explosions. Wow. Oh wow, that more. 100 nukes. It's not 100. It's like 259 nukes. Yeah, give me all that stuff. Yeah, that's a lot better with the lag. OMG. OMFG. I'm gonna pause the video till this all fixes up. Oh shit, no, creeper, go away. Okay, 1 second. Hello YouTube and welcome to another explosion that just happened. This is the third pause that I've had, and I'm hoping to get more space in this for the black hole band to do this, so it can produce less lag. I'm just kidding on. I'm just trolling with ya. That's how much lag I'm getting. What was I gonna gem of internal density. Let's put this off. Wow, dude, I'm lagging like fuck. Oh my god, I'm lagging like hell. Whoever watched this full video, give it a like, man. You're pro if you watched this full video. I'm not kidding, you're pro if you watched this video. Wow, man. Can I just crash? Shit, son. Come out of here. Go to items. Can this just like no? Can I like stop lag with? Oh yes, one limit. Just like put all this right down. So it's gonna stop the lag. I don't know what this means. I'm just putting it all down. Please, I hate nukes. They lag so bad. Oh, fucking god. Oh my fucking. I might just end the video here. 1 minute. I'm gonna like just pause it till I completely stop lag. It's not worked. Really. This was like 6 minutes ago, and I was trying my best to like do it. It's crashed 6 times. I think I should just end the video. Well, you're a boss if you watch this. Rate, comment, subscribe. I will try and fix this lag. See ya.